Hey guys, I'm Lakshya and now let's start with this first lesson in physical sciences. Now starting with it, here you have the first question. Now let's solve this given questions and multiple choice questions. Now starting with it, firstly, if an object is placed at C on the principal axis in front of a concave mirror, the position of the image is. So what is the position of the image if the object is placed at C on the principal axis? Principal axis in front of a concave mirror. First, let's draw the picture, let's draw the diagram, and by drawing the diagram, let's try to understand it. So here you will be having a concave mirror. They asked to draw what? They asked to draw a concave mirror. So let's imagine this as a concave mirror, okay? Here I have what? Concave mirror, which is being here I made a silver coating outside at the outer end. Now here this is the concave mirror. Okay, this is the concave mirror. Now let me draw a line over here. So let this be principal axis, guys. Okay, let this be the principal axis. Here this is the pole, focus, and what else? Center of curvature. Now here you have concave mirror. An object is placed at C. C means center of curvature. An object is placed at center of curvature. So let me draw this. Here you have the center of curvature, and here I have placed an object. I have placed an object on this center of curvature. Clear? Where the object, let us name as AB. Just AB. AB. Let this object be AB. And now here, if where the image is formed, so to form the image, we can construct image formation by two rays. So the first ray travels something like this here. It travels parallel to the principal axis. Wait a minute. It travels parallel to the principal axis, and here it hits the concave mirror and it reflects back and it passes through this focal length. Let focal length be here, okay? So now it passes through this focal length, okay? Now here, done, it passes like in this direction. Now here the second ray, it travels through what? It travels through focal or focus, and here after traveling, after hitting the concave mirror, it again reflects back and it forms somewhere over here. Okay? It comes like this. Now this is what the direction is. Now here forms what? Here forms this image. Here forms the image. So let me draw where the image is being formed. So here the image formed at C. So here we can see that here the image is formed at C, right? It is formed at center of curvature. Clear? The image is formed at center of curvature. Now let the image be. Let me draw like the image be B dash A dash or A dash B dash. Clear? Now here you have two rays which has gone through. So the first ray, it passed like it went parallel into this concave mirror. So it went parallel and it again reflected back through the focus. And the second ray directly passed through the focus and it again reflected back. And then these two rays, they met at a point. So this point is this point. If you join the principal axis center point, and it is forming at the center of curvature. Therefore, the image of the object is formed at center of curvature. Clear? And what are the properties for this? Okay, so properties for this given image will be the first one. Here I can say is this image is formed inverted, right? So this is the object and this is the image. Where image is formed inverted. Inverted image we got. And the second one what? If it is inverted, then real and inverted दोनों एक साथ ही रहता ना. So means real image and inverted image, they both come together. So here I can say that this image which is there, it is inverted and it is real. And the third one is these both where image and object are of same size. Same sized one we got. Okay, this is where image means this will be the image, right? So the image and object are of same size. So therefore here I can say that where the image is formed just below, just behind. So where the image is formed over here. So this is the image where A dash B dash will be the image, AB will be the object. So therefore image is formed at C. where C will be the correct option. Clear? Now let's go for the second one. So now here we have the second one. When we get a diminished image, we get a diminished image with a concave mirror when the object is placed. So the options here are option A at focal length, means at focus. Option B between the pole and focus. Option C at center of curvature. Option D beyond center of curvature. Now here we get a diminished image. So firstly, what is diminished? Okay, what is diminished? So here where if the image is formed smaller than the object, and then it is said to be diminished. If the image is formed smaller than the object, then it is said to be what? Diminished. Now here we get a diminished image with a concave mirror when the object is placed at beyond C. Okay, if you place, so this is the answer guys firstly. Okay, where if you place the object beyond center of curvature, we will be getting a diminished image. So now let's draw the diagram according to the given question and let's understand it very clearly and briefly. Okay, now here let me draw the diagram. Here you have this concave mirror. What type of mirror is this? Concave mirror. Okay, here I got a concave mirror and I made a silver coating outside, something like that. Okay, now let me draw a principal axis. So this is the principal axis that we got. Here I can add a pole of this one, and this is focus or focal point. Let me make focus somewhere over here. Okay, focus, and this will be the center of curvature. Now here if we place object beyond C, right, we will getting a diminished image, right? So let me place the object beyond C with this one. Here I have, let this be the object guys. Okay, let this be the object. So this is the person, आदमी है, इसका हाथ और legs. Okay, so this is what we got. So here you have what? This is the object that we got. So now here you have object. Let this be A and let this be B. Now if we wanted to just let's draw the image for this. Okay, where the image formation. So where the image will be formed, where the first ray something goes parallel to the principal axis. Okay, first ray goes parallel to the principal axis and comes out. It gets reflected and it passes through focus. So here it is getting reflected over here on the mirror, on the concave mirror, and it is passing through this focus. Okay. Now the second ray, it passes through the focus. Passes to the focus and it again gets reflected back. It again gets reflected back and it forms somewhere over here. Clear? Okay. So now here, where the image that we are getting, the image here, this will be the person's legs. Okay, the legs. So now the image that we are getting, let this be B dash and A dash. B dash and A dash. So this is the image and this is the object. Object A, image B dash or A dash or A dash and B dash. Okay, so this is what we got. Now here, as you can see over here, when object is larger in size, okay, where object is larger than the image. Object is larger than the image, where A and B are larger than A dash or B dash. Clear? Now here, when A dash and B dash are smaller, okay, where the image is smaller than the object. The image is smaller than the object. So then therefore here we got what? We got a diminished image. Diminished image. So therefore here I got what? Diminished image. So I can say that we get a diminished image with the concave mirror when the object is placed beyond C, beyond center of curvature. Now here it will be the properties might be diminished, second one what? It is formed inverted, right? It is inverted, so the image is inverted, so I can write like inverted. Okay, inverted image. Along with inverted we get what? we get what? Real. Real. Diminished means it is very small. It is very small in size than the object. Okay? Here we have the third one. We get a virtual image in a concave mirror when the object is placed at. So here you have the option A at focus, option B between pole and focus, option C at center of curvature, option D beyond C. Is it clear? Okay. Now here option A at focus, option B between pole and focus, option C at center of curvature, option D beyond center of curvature. Now here we get a virtual image. So what is virtual image, guys? Well, virtual image, I can say that this virtual image is an upright image, erect image. So virtual image is an upright image when it is formed, when this virtual image is achieved when the rays are diverged. Okay, when the rays are diverged, then this virtual image is formed. Mostly virtual images are produced. Most virtual images are produced on the diverging lenses. Okay. Now here, most virtual images are produced on diverging lenses. Firstly, here you have when we get a virtual image, so the correct option will be between P and F, guys. Okay, if we place an object between pole and focus, we will be getting virtual image. Okay, we will be getting virtual image when we place an object between pole and focus in the concave mirror. So let's understand with this briefly and clearly by using a diagram. So here you have a diagram. Okay, let me draw a concave mirror firstly. Here you have a concave mirror. Clear? This is the concave mirror. Now let me draw something like this concave. Here you have concave mirror. Now, then, so this is the principal axis. This will be the pole over here, pole. This is focus. This is center of curvature. Pole, focus, center of curvature, and this is the concave mirror. So let me draw focus a little bit closer. Okay, here you have focus. Now, place an object. So place the object between pole and focus. Okay, place the object between pole and focus. So this becomes, if I place object somewhere over here. Okay, the object is placed over here. So then draw the rays, guys. Now what to do? Draw the rays. Now here, the first ray, it goes parallel to the principal axis somewhat like this, and then it comes back, it reflects back, and it passes through the focus. Okay, it enters and passes through the focus. Let me draw focus over here. Okay, let it be. So here you have focus and it passes through focus. So this is how it goes. Now the second one. And the second ray, let the second ray. So just here, second ray should pass through the focus, right? But here, we have kept the object where object is placed between pole and focus, right? Object is placed between pole and focus. So I cannot pass the second ray to the focus. So just what you do is try to pass the second ray. Try to pass the second ray like this, in this direction. Okay, here so the second ray has passed over this, like it entered like this. Now here, if we try to pass the second ray in this direction, it comes back. Okay, like it reflects back and it diverges, something like this. Okay, it diverges something. Let me again do this. Wait a minute, guys. It travels and it passes through this. Okay, so this is what it goes. This is what it passes through. Okay, from here this passes through. Now you have focus and it passes something like this, and it goes something like this. Now here, these rays, we can see that these rays are diverging, right? These rays are trying to diverge. So here forms the virtual image. Okay, where the first ray, so this will be the first ray is diverging and second ray is diverging. So here, this is the reflected ray, guys. Okay, this is the reflected ray. This is the reflected ray. Clear? This is the reflected. Now here I am trying to allow the first ray to pass, the second ray to pass like this, and then again the reflected ray not getting a image to be formed over here. Okay, we are not getting an image over here. Okay, in this case. Now then what you do is try to extend the rays backward of the mirror. Okay, here I am trying to extend the rays. I am trying to pull up the rays. Okay, I am trying to extend the rays. I am trying to pull the rays backwards, and here the image forms. Okay, here I am trying to pull the rays. I am trying to extend the rays, and here the image forms. So let me draw the image over here. So here I got what? Here I got the image. Here I got the image. Now the object is let us name as AB. Okay, AB will be the object, and A dash B dash will be the image. A dash B dash will be the image. AB will be the object. Now here the properties for the image, for the properties for this given image will be the first property. The first property will be here. We can say that here these rays are diverging, so here forms a virtual image, right? Here forms the virtual image. Then the first one will be, it is virtual. If it is virtual, then it definitely would be upright, erect. Okay, we will be getting erect images. If it is virtual, we will be definitely getting erect. Erect means upright, straight, upright. You can observe here, this is the erect one, this is the upright one, and here we are getting an upright image. Okay, where this image is not formed like this. Okay, this image is not formed inverted, but it is formed upright. Okay, so this is what we got, and the third one will be magnified. Magnified means magnification. Magnified means the image. So this is the object. Object is a little bit smaller. So the object is smaller than the image, right? Image is larger than the object. Okay, image is big. Image is larger than the object. So here I can say that this image is magnified than this object. Object is a little bit smaller, but the image is magnified. Image thoda बढ़ गया, लेकिन object is same size. Okay, so this is what the third question is. So here therefore if we place an object between pole and focus, then we will be getting a virtual image. Clear? Here you have the fourth one. Which of the following represents magnification? First one, V by U. Second one, minus V by U. Third one, HI by H naught. Fourth one, H naught by HI. So here you have the options. Option A, 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Option B, 1 and 3. Okay. And option C, 3 and 4. This will be the one. And next option D will be 4 and 1. So here let's find the correct option among this. Now here you have, the question is what? Which of the following represents magnification? Well, magnification is represented by M, right? So well, magnification formula is what, guys? What is magnification formula? Well, we know magnification formula will be V by U, right? V by U equals to HI by H naught. This will be the formula for the magnification. Clear? Where V means V equals to image distance, right? And U equals to object distance. U equals to object distance. Clear? Now again coming back to the other one, you have HI. HI means it will be height of the image. Height of the image. Height of the image by height of the object. But H naught means height of the object. Clear? So where here we have got what, where M magnifying formula is equals to 1 by U is the correct one. You have B. B means you have the first one is V by U and the third one you have H A by H0. So therefore the correct option will be B. Clear?